Hey, what's up guys, to the Lizard here. Welcome with a brand new video. In today's video, we're gonna do a Flanwar League attack. So in today's video, our troops is gonna be DragaLoon, and all our spells is gonna be all lightning, and we're gonna take the funnel for the all lightning. So we're gonna lightning all the air defenses. So this is gonna be very hard. So it's full troops, so we have to try to get the funnel in. That one's hard. So we're gonna try to deal damage to it from the lightning spells. So we're gonna boost our troops and spells, and we're gonna boost it. We're checking how much damage it does, so and check how much does the deal damage to the air defense. So we're gonna go in and start the funnel. So we're gonna it's still low down internet. We're gonna lightning all the air defense. We're gonna lightning that. We're gonna lightning that. There. And we lightning it all. Then we're gonna start the funnel there. Then we're gonna put the DragaLoon. Then all our clan troops. Then we put the loon. Then we just hope for the best. Oh, the loons to destroy the tanky dragon. The tankiest dragon. Oh no. There's a dragon. We should have got a free spell. That's fine. It's destroying the tankiest dragon. Oh no, tanky dragon can destroyed. And the tanky dragon gets destroyed, but it's all up to the dragons. Then you got a 1-star. We're gonna get a 2-star, I believe. Yes, we are. But this base is actually really hard, so we're gonna try to, keep the funnel. There's 2 archer towers, so it could. Oh no, we don't have enough time because we can't get a full 3-star. Because wait, maybe we could. Is it? Go dragon, sweep all the stuff. I know you're the best. Sweep it. Yes, they're splitting up, but not really. Then we have to. Oh no, it's gonna destroy. Don't go there. Don't go there. There we go. We have to go. Dragon, fly faster. You're the best, I know. Yep. Let's go. It's a 3-star. Let's go. We got a 3-star. And this wraps up the video. Peace. 3 Lizard out.